Hello. I just edited the episode and I realized that it didn't really make a whole lot of sense. So this is season 3, and this is not the black car. This is a new car. And go. I honestly thought I could just get going again and start this with a nice summary sentence. I don't think that's gonna work because everything is different now. I tried to script this, but it didn't work, so I tried to wing it instead. I thought not a lot had changed since 2020, but if I try to talk about it or list it, it's getting on to be a lot. For a start, we are married, and we have been married for quite a while, which is why we also have a kid now. That's right, we're parents. In addition to the fact that we are parents now, this is the very same corner that we restored George in, but it's now a fully equipped restoration workshop. Now, what's the deal with the workshop? In late 2019, I did a test drive with a Porsche 928, which my father-in-law bought. Now, through a various chain of events, that engine revved to 9,500 instead of 6,800, which nuked it completely. I don't even know how to describe that. It just went out of hand completely. Now, what has the 928 to do with the workshop? You see, you're faced with two choices. Either you buy a new part and just fit it and go on with your life, or you buy the tool to restore the old part, which can actually lead to superior quality, and you then have the tool. And if you do that often enough, you end up with nearly every tool you could ever wish for, and you have a car that's, I'd say, good. Very, very good in this case. And since I'm kind of the resident old Porsche mechanic, it's also become kind of my playground. Spoiler alert, I am an idiot. I just took the bumper off, but it was only a corroded fuse. I checked everything, but I didn't bother just changing the fuse and just cleaning the contact. I am, however, going to replace a bunch of grommets now. So I spent the last year and a half thinking about how we could follow up. When we came into the workshop in 2018, everything went out of hand and resulted in George as you have seen him. And I mean, we crossed Europe in that thing. And before we were even fully recovered and found a suitable apartment to live in permanently, we already had the next project car in line with less build, but an arguably more intense time on the road. And I don't think it's reasonable to think that we can follow up from that. But what we can do is go back to the workshop, because that's where all the good things start. Which is also not to say that we don't have any plans. To validate the point that this is not only my personal playground, the outro is me building an engine. So enjoy.